In this video we will talk about greasy hair. How to get rid of greasy hair, herbal medicine for greasy hair. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. How to get rid of greasy hair and oily hair, herbal medicine for greasy hair and oily hair. Greasy hair is frustrating, especially if you know your hair is clean. Greasy oily hair looks dirty and dingy, and it's usually more evident in blonde and lighter hair colors than darker hair colors. But does the grease ball look only affect those of us who didn't take that post-workout shower? There are many home remedies said to get rid of oily and greasy hair, but they're not all effective. The type of hair you have depends on many things, including hormonal changes, stress, genetics or perhaps even poor diet. Apply witch hazel. This potion is surprisingly handy for grimy hair. Witch hazel can relieve itching, close oil-producing pores, and reduce inflammation caused by dandruff, pH imbalance, or other scalp disorders. Deep condition with coconut oil. Don't skip your scalp the next time you do a coconut oil treatment. This treatment can help lift oil off the scalp and roots while adding some much appreciated deep hydration. Rinse with apple cider vinegar. Enlist the benefits of apple cider vinegar. When properly diluted, an apple cider vinegar rinse can help remove product buildup, balance scalp pH, and reduce frizz. Shampoo with tea tree oil. Antibacterial tea tree oil improves dandruff, reduces itchiness, and improves greasiness. Look for a shampoo that includes tea tree oil as one of its active ingredients to get the full effect. Green tea. This powerhouse beverage is also good for your hair. Green tea extract has been shown to reduce sebum production, trusted source, and nourish skin when applied topically. Sweeten with honey. If you've let the oil get really out of hand, a honey mask can help soothe your scalp and prevent or treat dandruff thanks to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Use an egg yolk hair mask. Egg yolks have a high sulfur content, which can help relieve dandruff and greasy hair symptoms. Lemon juice. Using lemon juice is one of the most effective ways to get rid of greasy hair. Lemon juice is acidic in nature, so it works well on greasy hair, and it is also a great dandruff buster. Tea rinse for hair. You can use either green tea or black tea leaves to prepare the tea rinse for your oily hair. Tomato hair mask. You can also use a tomato mask to get rid of the excessive oil secretion, as the acidic nature of tomatoes help balance the pH level of your scalp. Baking soda. Baking soda can also be used on your scalp to remove the excess oil and grime. Baking soda is a great exfoliator, and the absorbent properties make it a good home remedy to be used on your scalp to get rid of greasy hair. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is one of the best hair repairing masks that you can use. It repairs your scalp, reduces dandruff, promotes hair growth, and makes your hair smooth and shiny. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.